We hope you and your family are enjoying the cleaner, great tasting water provided by your reverse osmosis system. One of the perks of renting an RO system with Reliance is that you never have to remember to change your filters. Every year when they need to be replaced, we'll ship them right to your door. Our RO filters are easy to change. Depending on which cycle you're on, you'll be replacing the first 2 or all 4 filters. To start, make sure you shut off the water supply to your system by turning the blue valves on both your cold water and RO storage tanks. Then, simply turn on the RO water faucet to make sure that you drain any remaining water. Now, there may be some lingering water, so make sure you have some paper towel on hand when changing your cartridges. To release the old filter, simply grab the cartridge and turn it counterclockwise. Match the new filter with the filter label you just removed, take off the cap, and install it by twisting it clockwise on your system. Repeat these simple steps for the remainder of the cartridges, and then dispose of the used cartridges with your regular household garbage. Then turn on your RO water faucet to completely drain the water from the tank. It's recommended that you complete the process of both filling and emptying the tank 2 to 3 times. Once you're done, don't forget to turn on your cold water supply line. And now you're ready to go back to enjoying the great tasting water from your RO system. Now, if you have any questions about your system or want to learn more about water purification solutions, call us today or visit us online at RelianceHomeComfort.com. For all your home comfort needs, call on Reliance.